All right, this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to create TikTok videos from start to finish. This is going to be for beginners, people who are intimidated to get on, afraid to get on, or just don't really know where to start. So first, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your app store. It's the little blue icon all the way to the right-hand side, third row up. Looks like a little teepee or like a table. You're gonna click on the app store. You're gonna search TikTok. You're gonna click on TikTok. You're gonna download the TikTok app. On mine, I'd press open, but it's already there. So then once the TikTok app is downloaded, you're going to set up your profile. Inside of TikTok, you're gonna create a username. You're going to set up everything, and you're going to use a username that's associated maybe with your business. Maybe you are a car salesman, maybe you sell houses, maybe you flip houses, maybe you do taxes, or maybe you're a life insurance agent, so you're gonna pick something that has to do with one of those categories. Then once you do that, you're going to click on the TikTok icon and click the little plus sign at the bottom, okay? Once you click the plus sign at the bottom, you're going to be able to record your videos, okay? And you're going to scroll over to however long you want to have that video be. And then what you're gonna do is you're going to hit the big red button, and it's gonna press, and you're gonna start recording the video, and you're gonna wanna record all the way through, and then you'll be able to do edits after. Now, when I click the button, typically I would talk and you know, I would save the video when I'm done. But if I do that, it's going to do a voiceover, and you're not gonna be able to hear me explain everything else. So you'd click on the red icon, and then once you do, you'd talk. Then what you would do is after you did that, you'd hit stop, okay, on where the red icon is, and then you're gonna hit the check box. So you're gonna hit the red check mark on the right-hand side. And then once you do that, you're going to click on the right-hand side, and you'd be able to click on captions. And because I didn't say any words, there's not gonna be any captions. It says no speech recognized, but in that bottom area, when you talk, all the text will come up. And then you can click on that, and the bottom right down here where it says exit, that's where the words would be. And then you'd be able to fix anything that it picked up that wasn't correct. And then you'd be able to hit save in the right-hand corner. And what it would do is you would go back to this screen here, and the words would pop up right around my facial area. And then you click on those words, and you could reposition those words wherever you wanted to on the screen. What I typically do is either put them all the way at the bottom or put them all the way at the top. That way they're out of the way, they're not in your face. Then what you can also do is you can go to text, and you can put a title, beginner, for TikTok users. Then you hit done. Then you can reposition that. Put that at the top. Put it at the bottom. Let's go ahead and put it at the top because I'm going to cover it up at the end anyways. You can click on effects, and you could put different effects if you want to. I would stay away from that in the beginning videos, but you can click on filters, and you can change it to a vitality filter, warmth filter. You can see that it changes the tone in my face. You could do youth, you could do twilight, whatever you want to change it to, you'd be able to do that. Then you're going to click back on the screen, and that filter will be on there. Then what you do is you click the right arrow again, and you can go to edit. So let's say in the beginning when you set your video up and you're going back to try to get to where you're at, to where you're going to be able to record, you're going to want to cut that out. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit edit down in the bottom left-hand corner. It's the scissors. And then you're going to move the thin arrow. You're going to move the video to where you want to have the video edited out. And then you're going to take the thick line on the left-hand side, and you're going to move it to that area, and it's going to cut that part of the video out. That would be the part where you're walking back to be able to record. Same thing at the end. If you wanted to cut the end out, you go to the end. That would be you walking back to turn the camera off. You put it there, then you take the bigger end and you cut it off to there, and then you would hit save up in the top right-hand corner. I don't want to save it because I want the whole video to be explained, so I'm going to hit cancel, discard edits. Then after you've done all that, if you want to put a sticker, you could put, like, let's say a dancing bear or LeBron crying, right? Put LeBron crying up here in the top right-hand corner, and then we're ready to go to next. Then what you're going to do is you're going to go to ChatGPT, and you're going to tell ChatGPT to create a TikTok post for beginners on how to make a video. It's going to create the post for you. You're going to copy everything, and then you're going to go back to your TikTok. You're going to paste it on your TikTok. I actually copy mine to my notes. So I would copy mine from my notes, and then I paste it on to TikTok. And then you got some different hashtags. Put another hashtag in there. TikTok tips, another hashtag. You always want to put the type of hashtags that actually are associated with the video that you're making. Then up in the right-hand corner, you're going to select cover. And then at the bottom, you're going to hit TikTok glitch. It says glitch. You're going to put a catchy header, step-by-step tutorial on how to create TikTok videos. Okay, that's going to be your catchy phrase that you're going to use, that people are going to see when they're scrolling through all the different feeds on TikTok. Then you're going to hit done in the right-hand corner. Then you're going to put that, let's say we actually just cover that up at the top, right? We got LeBron still crying, and then we got the step-by-step tutorial showing, so that's what people are going to see. You can move this around here. You see the little red box moving at the bottom, so you can pick the cover that you want. Find a nice spot, then you can leave that. You hit save in the top right-hand corner, and then what you're going to do is you're going to hit post, and it's going to start loading up in the top left-hand corner.
Just so you know, I will follow the system that you outlined for 10 years before I need to see an ROI. I was like, to be clear, I want to make progress. I want to see that our videos are doing better. He said, I have never had anyone in my entire life ever talk to me about it.
You're going to click on profile. Then you're going to see the video pop up. Video pops up here. Then you click on the three dots over in the bottom right-hand corner. And then you can share to Instagram. Click on the Instagram on the top left. It might make you wait a minute while the video is still loading. But you click on that icon, and then it would allow you to share to your Instagram or to your Facebook or to anything else. For more information or more tips and tricks on how to create TikTok videos, leave some comments below, leave some questions below, or click the link in the bio and book a 15-minute free strategy call. Look forward to hearing from everybody. Hope this helps.